Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Amazon Echo privacy settings and voice recording controls, beginner guide step by step clearly. To set up your Amazon Echo privacy settings, start by opening the Alexa app on your smartphone. Once the app is open, tap on the Devices tab located at the bottom of the screen. Select Echo and Alexa from the list of device categories. Choose the specific Echo device for which you want to adjust the privacy settings. Scroll down to find the Settings option and tap on it. Look for Device Settings and select it to access more options. Now, head to the Privacy section within the Device Settings. Here, you can find various options that control your privacy settings. To manage voice recordings, tap on Voice Recordings. You will see a list of your recorded interactions with Alexa. To delete specific recordings, select the ones you wish to remove. If you prefer, you can also delete all recordings at once by tapping on Delete All Voice Recordings. To prevent future recordings, go back to the Privacy section. Select Manage Voice Recordings and toggle off the setting for Use Voice Recordings. This will stop new voice recordings from. To further enhance privacy, consider checking the Communications settings. Here, you can manage how Alexa interacts with your contacts. Finally, review any additional privacy options available in the app. This will help you ensure that Alexa respects your privacy preferences. Take your time to familiarize yourself with each setting for a tailored. By following these steps, you can effectively configure your Amazon Echo's privacy settings and voice recording controls. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.